This headlight here came with this socket on, which is the right fit circumference wise, but isn't the correct bulb socket wise right here. So what I'm gonna try to do, because we're kind of in a situation where we ain't got no more time to run around and get the stuff we need to make this happen, I'm gonna try to, from these two, make the right bulb. So make this bulb work with this base right here.
So basically you're modifying it.
Yes, I'm gonna modify it. I'm gonna pretty much cut the ring off of this one, trim this one down, and epoxy this one to this one, and pretty much give it a new base for locking purposes. Because that's the problem we're having. This isn't locking, and because it isn't locking, we can't put this bulb in.
Put this in here.
Fit in the hole.
Right.
So that's what we're about to do.
All right. So you're gonna take it to the steps. Let's see what you got.
Pretty much, you see, I got this collar here. Now we got to knock this one out from the center because we don't need that part. And, you know, they're attached. This is something that's made like this. So obviously, you don't want to pretty much try to snap it this way because you might break the ring, and that's the part we need. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pretty much get a razor blade and notch this. And notch it a little bit here. And then press forward, because I want it to crack right off cleanly. Be careful because I'm winging this one. I haven't done this type of modification. I've done this on HIDs a couple of times. Never on anything like this. But here we go. You gotta be careful because this is a little. Oh, let me get it better. See if I can get off with that like that. That'd be cool. Because it's a little bit bigger. I'll be able to get this off with this. Yep. Look at that. Even better.
Nice.
Just notch this in here like this, so that other piece could slide in there. So I'm gonna take a look at it real quick, and looks like we're good.
Mm-hmm.
See, I'm gonna leave this here because I want that to sort of fill in a little space.
Yeah.
So that it gives it some sturdiness. You know what I mean? And it isn't just like loose all around, because this might be off by probably a millimeter around. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
And maybe not even, you know. But that might help out. So now that that's done, next thing is I want to cut all these down.
So you could use the one from the base that you just cut. Gotcha.
Because the base not gonna fit over it, obviously. That's what we got now. And